only ever dreamt of this. Got a feeling this is something strong. All I wanna do is move on. No more wondering where I belong. So never go away. 'Cause you like guilty pleasure no one else has ever known. Feels like it is now or never. Don't wanna be alone. How do you describe a feeling?